The world of energy seems to be a bit of a minefield for a garden centre like us, even those that are involved in the numbers like us in the finance team. But NGP have helped us to clarify exactly how we go about the process of securing energy contracts and bringing a lot more clarity to that process. And it gives us a lot more comfort in making more strategic, longer-term decisions. So I'm Dave Formosa, I'm Head of Finance here at Monkton Elm Garden Centre. Monkton Elm Garden Centre is quite a large garden centre. We consume a fair bit of electricity across the various departments that we have, from heating and lighting for our retail spaces, through to gas and electricity consumption in our restaurant and kitchen and catering facilities. As an independent garden centre, we look to make strategic, informed decisions as a course of business. With our energy contracts, it's not always straightforward, as there's a lot of complications and complexity to it. Using a third party like NGP has made it a lot clearer to the senior management team on the direction of travel we want to choose. We've encountered some challenges along the way which NGP have helped us overcome. Initially, when we engaged with NGP, the market volatility was high, so we've managed to establish some medium-term fixed rates. Very competitive rates have helped us overcome some potential cost barriers. We've also had a refurbishment of our restaurant facility, which has involved a significant increase in power consumption. And working with Chris and his team, we've managed to overcome any potential hiccups that might have occurred along the way. When we've come to recontract with NGP for our energy supply, Chris and his team at NGP have made it very simple for us to understand the options that we've had, where we can make savings, and given us an explanation of the nature of the market as it stood and what we're expecting in the future. So we've been able to comfortably make decisions based on their advice. We've changed our approach to managing our energy from being quite a reactive process to more of a proactive process. So in the short and medium future, we're looking to continue working with NGP to manage our competitive energy costings, whilst also keeping an eye on our environmental impact and keeping our carbon footprint to as minimum as possible without impacting our customer journey throughout the site. Prior to working with NGP, the stress of managing energy contracts directly was not something that any kind of business professional seems to look forward to. But since working with NGP, that's been much more of a breeze. And when you've got the faith and the trust in a business such as NGP to achieve the outcomes that the business needs, it makes sleeping a lot easier at night.